Hi everyone, Gigi here from Dawn of Braids. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do some gorgeous old Hollywood inspired waves. So to start the style, let's just clip in our extensions. Okay, so now that I have the back pieces of my extensions clipped in, I have to clip in the front ones. But for old Hollywood, they usually have a part very far down to the side, like around here. I prefer my part slightly higher, so I'm going to put it here, but you can put it wherever you want. Okay, so where I parted my hair here, I'm just going to clip in the 2-clip weft. I'm just going to do that on this side as well. I've just taken some of the top section and pinning or clipping it back so that there's less to work with. Now, if I go from where the part is, which is about there, I'm going to split my hair into 2 sections and bring them over each shoulder. So that means that this section will be a lot thicker. Now I'm going to use this 25mm wand set to 360 degrees Fahrenheit and curl my hair. So when I'm curling this section here, the larger section, I'm going to curl away from my face, and this side I'm going to curl towards my face. That's going to make sure that the curl pattern at the end is all going the same way, so when we brush it out, it's very old Hollywood. Okay, now that we've done this side, I'm just going to curl the other side, but instead of curling away from the face, make sure you curl towards the face. Okay, so now I've curled the bottom portion, we can curl the top, so I'm just going to take down the bit that I clipped away earlier. Okay, so now with the very front pieces here, we're not going to curl those, but we will curl the rest of the hair, so section those off. Obviously the section on the lower part will be a lot thinner. We're just going to curl as we did before, away from the face on this side and towards the face on this side. Okay, so now the entire bottom section is done, we're going to curl the front, which is slightly different. So instead of curling away on this side and towards on this side, we're going to curl towards on both sides. So I'm just going to split this bit into 2 sections. And since I've clipped this off, I'm just going to put that to the side. And then remember, I'm going to curl towards my face. Hold for a few seconds. And then once it's come out, we're going to clip it off with a little pin curl clip. Okay, so now we have these little clippy things. I'm just going to go back and hairspray lightly. And then just go through gently. You can use a comb, but I'm going to use a round brush. Sorry. So just see if you can get the wave pattern to kind of gently go together. And there's the old Hollywood waves complete. If you enjoyed this video, please follow me on Instagram at Dawn of Braids and Clip Hair on Instagram and YouTube. See you next time.